Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2016 Mazda CX-5, stock number 5964. This ran from 02/2013 to the 12/2016. It has PY 2.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed automatic transmission. This is the PY 2.5 litre petrol engine. Left front mirror. Left rear door, no dents. Left rear tail light, right rear tail light, rear tailgate, no dents, right rear 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right rear door, no dents, right front guard, no dents, right front headlight, right front 17-inch factory alloy maggot tyre, right front mirror, right front door, no dents, right front door card, right front master switch, center console lid, automatic gear shifter, AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster.